2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.